trade recap of today. Took 2 trades today, 2 losses across 2 accounts. I lost about $1,400 across 2 of my accounts. So for some reason, I don't even know why, because now looking back, the move was pretty obvious. Like, I have no idea how I didn't see this, but hopefully this will help me for next time I'm in a similar situation and I do see this. I didn't do my pre-market early morning analysis properly. I didn't even take into consideration the PM or lunch high because I did not have this kill zone indicator on. So I was literally just focusing on Asia session, which is where I went wrong, but I will not let it happen again. So right here at market open, London market open, I wanted to see, because we was bearish on the high time frame, we had a bunch of stacked lows, not many fair value gaps that we could bounce out of, and then we had my ultimate drawn liquidity was Asia low and New York low, but I was going to just try first target some internal draws like these I had marked out. So firstly, at market open, I wanted to see us touch into this 15-minute gap with a retest out of it, continuation to the downside, maybe a 1 or 2 minute retest, and then we short all the way down. So my first main mistake was right here. When we came up into this 15-minute gap. When we closed below right here, I was like, there you go, there's my closure. Now I just want to see a retest. We came up, retested this gap, came back down and closed below. I got into my position right here, as you can see, came down into a bit of profit. Then I got instantly stopped out up here. Now, the reason this was not so good of a trade is because, for one, if I look on the 5-minute, we did not close below on the 5-minute. So next time, to prevent something like this happening, I should wait for a higher time frame closure rather than a 1-minute, because if I just waited on a 5-minute closure, I wouldn't have entered my position here. I would have seen that we closed above the 15-minute gap here and then probably longed to the PM highs and hit TP there. But here, because on the 1-minute we closed below, I thought that was good enough of a confluence, which it clearly is not. Entered and got stopped out quickly, so that is how I can improve there. Also, I should have seen that throughout Asia we did have quite bullish market structure, and then also we had PM high and lunch high sitting quite close to London open. So I should have, with all of that taken into account, looked for an inverse of this gap to then take out these highs, because we was much closer, we was in bullish market structure, we had the confidence to do so, we had the retest here, the inverse, would have been a nice trade. To prevent anything like this happening again, it was just poor market analysis before. I didn't hesitate on my trade, so the psychology part of this was good. I took the trade straight away when I saw the entry. However, they just wasn't the best entries, because we closed over on the 1-minute, closed under on the 1-minute, not the 5-minute, not even the 3-minute. So I was literally just trading off of 1 minutes, and I thought because we was in equilibrium that was added confluence. But next time I'll have a better pre-market analysis. Look what sort of trend we are in. Clearly bearish, clearly bullish right here. Wait on a higher time frame inverse. See if there's any, like, I wanted a short here. I should be thinking in my mind, why shouldn't I long? Why would a long be bad? And if I have reasons for the long being good, then that should take me away from shorting. But right here, there was many reasons why you should long, very few reasons why you should short. So generally just a bad trade for me today, which I can learn from. And then the second trade I took right here was literally me just trying to re-enter the same short to the downside. I was just waiting on another retest and rejection. We got it here. Entered, stopped out again on both accounts. And yeah, that was a loss in the day, but I'm grateful for the lesson that it taught me. Definitely need to do some better pre-market analysis. Be smarter in my trades, but keep staying confident.